curb public urination and improve hygiene, the Mysore City Corporation has introduced a unique pilot project near the central bus stand in Mysuru. Officials stated that an 80-meter long compound wall in front of the Mysore Central bus stand has been fitted with stainless steel sheets that function like mirrors. The design ensures that anyone attempting to urinate in public can clearly see their reflection while also being visible to passers-by, creating a deterrent through public awareness and social accountability. The civic body indicated that several earlier attempts to address the issue had failed, prompting this alternative approach. The project has been implemented at a cost of approximately 9.5 lakh rupees. Authorities added that LED lighting has been installed along the structure, ensuring visibility during night hours and enhancing the overall appearance of the area. Officials said the initiative, considered the first of its kind in the state, has received positive public response and is being viewed as an innovative step towards maintaining cleanliness in high footfall zones.